I think your nerve endings are just numb.
Monica would know. He's a nerd.
I think right before you die, you don't feel anything.
You see the light?
Tom, yank on that rope good so it's not going to break on you.
Oh, even if it does, it'll still be in the water. Tom, don't go up that high.
Hey, don't go up that high. Seriously. You're making me nervous. You don't want to make me nervous. Yes. This is going to be one of those videos on You Gotta See This.
It's going to be on YouTube.
Everyone will see it.
Tom, we're going to put this on YouTube.
You ready?
No, not yet. Thank you.
Are you ready?
We're ready.
Are you guys up there ready?
Yeah, well, hey, I'm gonna go down here. Hold on. Okay. Go.
Ready?
Yeah, go.
Oh, that tree is like...
Yeah, I think you killed it.
Tom, swim upstream.
No, he's got it.
You're almost over here.
Are you alright?
Are you okay?
I lost my shoe.
Oh.
Oh.
Don't scare me. I had to almost put the camera down. I was going to jump in after you. Now notice the tanned. Smile, Tom.
The whole world is gonna see it now.
Okay.
That was a lot of fun.
Here's your $5.